Hello. I'm assuming that if you came to watch my video, then you want to learn how to make French toast. All you need to do is follow these 5 nice and easy steps to impress your friends in just a few minutes. This way, you can have a great morning. Step 1. Preparation. Make sure you get all your ingredients out before you start cooking. Take your pan and place it on your stove. Make sure you put your small slice of butter on your pan. You may need white bread, a stove, a pan, powdered sugar, 2 eggs, a mini strainer, but a fork can work too, a small slice of butter, an egg tray, a fork, and a plate. Step 2. Egg preparation. Take your 2 eggs and hit them on your counter once. Check it, and if it does not look halved, then crack it again. Repeat this until your egg is halved on one side and is ready to crack. This should only take around 2 to 3 tries. When your egg is ready to be cracked, open it above your egg tray and make sure your grip is firm on the shell so you do not have any shell in your egg tray. After your eggs are in your tray, take a fork and whisk it. If you do not know how to whisk, it is like stirring. Make sure that you whisk enough so the egg is covering the entire tray and you cannot see the bottom so the bread gets completely covered in egg. Step 3. Cooking. When your eggs in the tray are a consistent bright yellow color, turn on your fire on your stove and make sure the butter is spreading all around the pan. After the butter is spreaded all over the pan, let the rest of the butter melt and quickly dip your bread into your whisked egg. Do not push too hard on the bread while it's wet. Make sure both sides of the bread get soggy with egg. Then, be careful not to spill any egg on your counter. You will now move your bread onto your pan. Repeat with your second slice of bread, and if you are hungry, then a third slice will need extra butter on the pan. You can have both of the French toasts on the stove at the same time, depending on the size of your pan. After different time segments of about 50 seconds each, flip both of your French toasts. Once each of your French toasts are golden brown and crispy, place your toasts on a plate. Step 4. Powdering. Take your powdered sugar and your mini strainer and place the sugar in your strainer. Shake the mini strainer or fork until your French toast is lightly sugared. Step 5. Eating. Here is the easiest and most pleasuring step. Now that you have finished making your French toast, you can finally test your creation. Take your fork and dig in. I hope you were successfully able to complete these 5 steps. If you were, please feel free to tell me how you liked it and how your family liked it. I hope this was an easy and fun activity.